Mhm. Hi students, welcome to Unacademy. There was a technical error. Um, Unacademy offers plus courses for Karnataka CET students. As you know, when we say plus course, it's a structured live course student. You will have, class 11 and class 12 topics that will be done in detail. Also, you will have a live doubt clearing session, quizzes. There is a comprehensive batch that has begun. Apart from that, daily practice paper and full length mock tests also available. On 14th of October, there is a new batch which is starting, Champions batch. So you can try. There's a trial offer of 2,250 students. So you can enroll your name for that. Whenever you enroll, kindly make use of the code BHAVANILIVE. This is a code which you are going to use so that you get maximum benefit. So this will be the code you are using, BHAVANILIVE. Okay. Also we have a Kannada batch and there is a comprehensive batch. So students, you can think of joining any of these batches. Okay. So I have completed 3 parts in basic concept of chemistry. Today we are going with one more mock test on the same topic, basic concepts of chemistry. Okay. So actually there was a error. So thinking that I thought we have linked, so I started solving, but I think it was not linked to you people. So let me begin with the question. Okay. So we will start solving the problem. Actually, I had done few problems thinking that I have connected, but then I think there was no connection. Okay, so we will go to question number 1, student. Suppose the elements X and Y combine to form 2 compounds, XY2 and X3Y2. When 0.1 mole of XY2 weighs 10 gram and 0.05 mole of X3Y2 weighs 9 gram, the atomic weight of X and Y are. Now how to solve this problem? How we can solve it? Okay, you can think over it. If you get the answer, you can tell me. Look at the problem now, students. What are the information given in the problem? If you can see clearly there, mole, number of moles is given, mass is given. That means we can calculate molar mass. N is equal to, number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass, isn't it? Mass by molecular mass. So a number of moles is given as 0.1, mass is given as 10. So you can calculate the molar mass. So the molecular mass of XY2, molecular mass of XY2 will be how much? 10 divided by 0.1. That means you are getting 100. Similarly, you can calculate for X3Y2, formula remains the same. So molecular mass equal to mass. So what is the mass given, students? 9. And what is the number of moles given here? 0.05. That means how much you are getting? You will get it as 180. Now if we add the atomic mass of X plus 2Y, we should get it as 100. Similarly, if we add the atomic mass of 3x and 2y, we should get it as 180. So if I am solving it, actually I can write it as 2x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 40. So one of the value, atomic weight of x is now known, it is 40. So answer should be 40. You know that x plus 2y is equal to, x plus 2y is equal to 100. Therefore, 2y is equal to 60. 2y is equal to 60, y is equal to 30. Therefore, answer will be option A, 40 and 30. Okay, I told you actually I thought we are connected students, so I had already solved a few problems. So anyway, we will solve it now. We'll go to question number 2. What is the mass of the precipitate formed when 50 ml of 16.9% solution of silver nitrate is mixed with 50 ml of 5.8% NaCl solution? So in this reaction, silver nitrate is reacting with sodium chloride. You know silver chloride is formed and sodium nitrate is formed, that is NaNO3 is formed. Now it is given that 50 ml of 16.9% solution of silver nitrate is mixed. So what is 50 ml of 16.9%? That means 100 ml you have 16.9 gram. So in 50 ml, how much? Half of it, student, 50 ml. That means you should get it as 8.45 gram. That is mixed with 50 ml of 5.8% NaCl. Once again, in 100 ml it is 5.8%, 5.8 gram. In 50 ml it is half of it. So half of it means how much you get? 5.8 by 2, isn't it? So you will get it as 2.9 gram. So here mass taken is 8.45. Here the mass taken will be 2.9 gram of NaCl. Mass divided by molecular mass will give you number of moles. Silver nitrate, if you find out, silver and nitrogen is given, oxygen 16 into 3. Okay, so if you add their atomic weight, you are going to get the molecular weight, and how much you are going to get? It will be 170. Similarly, molecular mass of sodium chloride is 23 plus 35.5, that will be 58.5. So 8.45 divided by 170. So how much you are going to get? 0.049 mole. So this is also going to be 0.049 mole. From the balance equation, we know that 1 mole of AgNO3 react with 1 mole of AgCl, 1 mole of sodium chloride, and give 1 mole of silver chloride precipitate. So students, naturally the amount of silver chloride formed should be 0.049 mole. But amount is not given here. It's not given in terms of mole, rather it is given in terms of gram. Therefore 0.049, and mole, you know silver chloride means add its atomic mass, student, silver and chloride. So how much do you get? It will be 143.3. So if you are multiplying, you will get it as 7.02 grams. So answer will be option B. Okay, we'll go to the next one. If Avogadro number Ne is changed from 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 moles per mole to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 20, what would change? if you are going to change the Avogadro number, what will change? Let me take now, for example, option A, mass of 1 mole of carbon. Mass of 1 mole of carbon is 12 gram. And we know 12 gram contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. So if I say the Avogadro number as 6.022 into 10 to the power of 20 atom, what is the mass? What will be the mass, student? The mass will be 12 into 10 to the power of minus 3 gram. That means when you change the Avogadro number, student, what happens? The mass of 1 mole of a carbon changes. So answer will be option A. Mass of 1 mole of carbon changes. Mass of 1 mole of carbon was 12. And now it is 12 into 10 to the power of minus 3 gram. Okay. Equal masses of hydrogen, oxygen and methane have been taken in a container of volume V at temperature 27 degrees Celsius in identical condition. The ratio of volumes of gases of H2, O2 and methane would be. Student, if the conditions that is identical, if same temperature and pressure, ratio of volumes of gases contain or it is equal to the ratio of number of moles. Under identical temperature and pressure, same temperature and pressure, equal volume, the ratio of volumes of gases will be equal to ratio of number of moles. Ratio of number of moles. Now when I say ratio of number of moles, how do I find out the number of moles for hydrogen? Let me take the mass as W. Number of mass by molar mass. What is the molar mass of hydrogen? 2. Similarly, oxygen mass is same. It's given as equal mass. That means it should be W divided by O2. O2 means 32. Similarly, W divided by, as you can see, methane. Methane means 16, student, isn't it? So if you divide them, all of them by 32, okay, 32 by 2, that will be 16. 32 by 32, 1, and this will be 2. So the ratio will remain as 16:1:2. Answer will be option C, student. Option C is the right answer. We'll go to the next one. When 22.4 liter of hydrogen is mixed with 11.2 liter of chlorine, each at STP, the moles of HCl formed is equal to. Now directly also you can solve. You know that H2 plus Cl2 giving 2HCl, isn't it? When I say H2, 22.4 liter, it is 1 mole. When I say 11.2 liter, it is 0.5 mole, isn't it? 1 mole of H2 requires 1 mole of Cl2. But in this case, 1 mole of H2, we have taken only 0.5 mole of Cl2. So Cl2 is a limiting reagent here. That means 1 mole of chlorine will give 2 mole of HCl. Therefore, 0.5 mole of Cl2 gives how much? So how much you are going to get, student? You will get it as 1 mole. Answer will be 1 mole. So option A will be the right answer. Okay. Go to question number 6, students. 80 gram of oxygen contains as many as atoms in. Is it 10 gram of hydrogen, 5 gram of hydrogen or 80 gram of hydrogen, or is it 1 gram of hydrogen? Students, you see here how to solve this problem. Now let us assume that 1 gram atomic mass of oxygen, how much it is? 16 gram. 1 gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram. 16 gram contains Avogadro number of atom. Let me take it as Ne. So 80 gram of oxygen contains how much? So you will have 80 into Ne divided by 16, isn't it? So if you can see here, 16 ones are and 16 fives are, isn't it? That means 5 Ne. Okay, so you are going to get 5 Ne. Now among this, 80 gram of oxygen contains as many atoms in which option? Where do you get 5 Ne, student? We know that 1 gram of hydrogen contains Avogadro number of atom. So 5 gram of hydrogen contains 5 into Avogadro number of atom. So answer should be option B, student, 5 gram of hydrogen. So 80 gram of oxygen and 5 gram of hydrogen both contain same number of atom, 5 into Avogadro number. So we will see the next one. 6.02 into 10 to the power of 20 molecules of urea is present in 100 milliliter of its solution. The concentration of solution is. So how to find out? Number of molecules are given. The concentration is asked in molarity. You know the formula for molarity, student. What is molarity? Molarity is equal to. Students, if you have the answer, you can write it in the comment box. Molarity is equal to number of moles divided by volume of the solution in liter. Now when I say number of moles, I need to find out, isn't it? How do I find out number of moles? We have a formula, number of moles is equal to N by Ne. What is N now? Number of molecules. How much it is? 6.02 into 10 to the power of 20. And what is the Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. That means you will get the number of moles as 10 to the power of minus 3 mole. So number of mole is 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by volume of the solution in liter, student. Now it is given in 100 milliliter. So 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So you are going to get 1 by 100, that is 0.01 molar. So answer will be option D. We'll go to question number 8. The number of atoms in 0.1 mole of triatomic gas is. Students, let us try to find out the answer for this question. If you have some answer, you can write it. Okay, you can write in the comment box. Okay. All right, shall we start with the problem? Shall we solve the problem now? I hope you are also solving, students. Okay, so let us try now. The number of atoms in 0.1 mole of triatomic gas is. If you are solving the problem, you can write the answer. Okay. So we know that 1 mole contains 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. But number of atom is asked, so directly I am writing, since it is given a triatomic gas. You know, one molecule contains 3 atoms. So 1 mole contains 3 into Avogadro number of atom. Question is now, in 0.1 mole, what is the answer? So how much you are going to get, student? Multiply 0.1 into 3 into 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. Look at the possibility. Anyhow, it should be either option B or option D. Students, which is the right answer? What is the right answer? Do you have some answer? Answer will be option B, 1.806 into 10 to the power of 23. 1.806 into 10 to the power of 23. That means answer is option B. Okay. So we have one more question we will solve. Mass of one nitrogen atom is. Now how to solve this problem? Okay, Satyacharan, is it answer for the present one or for the previous one? Okay, I think it is for the previous one, isn't it? Okay, mass of one atom of nitrogen. Look at the answer, 14 unified mass, 14 grams, 7 gram. Let us try to find out. If you have some answer, you can tell me. Okay. Now, how do you find out? Tell me. 1 mole of nitrogen is 14 gram. 14 gram contains Avogadro number of atoms. Therefore, Avogadro number of atoms means 14 gram. 1 atom means how much? 1 atom means how much? So 1 atom means how much, student? It will be 14 by into 1 by Ne. Now what is 1 by Ne, student? What is 1 by Avogadro number? 1 by Avogadro number is nothing but 1 AMU. 1 AMU is equal to 1 by Avogadro number. That means 1 by Ne is AMU. So answer will be 14 AMU. Presently it is written as 14U. Therefore answer is option A. Option A is the right answer. Okay. So we will, students, I'm going to end my session because I have crossed time. Initially there was an error, so I had to join a bit late because of the technical problem. Anyway, we will sort all those problems in the next class. So next class will be on 15th exactly at 2 o'clock. Only half an hour session it is, student. Therefore, see to it that you will be joining the session. And if you are liking, I hope you have seen all my previous videos also. If not, kindly watch it. And whenever you like the class, kindly press the like button. Also press the bell icon so that you get notification. And do not forget to, subscribe the Unacademy. Those who are in need, you can even join the Champions batch by making use of the code BHAVANILIVE. Okay, students. So thank you. Let us see once again on 15th exactly at 2 o'clock. Okay. Bye, students. Take care.